So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shapes to a design here on Easel. So once you have Easel opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go into your design, then go to the right hand side of your screen to where it says elements right here, located between video and assets on my screen. Simply just press on elements right here. Once you're in the elements tab, go to the bottom right hand corner and press on the shapes icon right here. And once you're into the shapes icon, you can now add a whole bunch of different shapes into your design. So if you wanted to add a square, you can add a square into your design. You can add a circle. You can go down for some more complex shapes. You can use like a star. The options are a little bit limited, I guess, in regards to what shapes you can use, but there's a pretty decent variety on what you can use if you want. You can use a triangle that's more transparent in the middle, whatever the case may be. You can get creative, have some fun with it, but pretty much that is how you guys can add different shapes to a design here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.